Good morning, children. Hope all of you have studied the previous topic. Today, we will study about natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife exist only in the biosphere. Do you know what is biosphere? The biosphere is the layer of the planet Earth where life exists. It is the narrow zone of contact between lithosphere, means the land area of the earth, hydrosphere, water area, and the atmosphere, air. So, what is biosphere? It is the narrow zone of contact between lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. It is the layer of the earth where life exists. Have you ever heard about ecosystem? In the biosphere, living beings are interrelated and interdependent on each other for survival. This life-supporting system is known as the ecosystem. Vegetation and wildlife are valuable resources. Let's discuss about the uses of vegetation, means plants cover. Plants provides us with timber, give shelter to animals, produce oxygen, protect soils. It is so essential for growing crops, act as shelter belts, helps in storage of underground water, gives us fruits, nuts, latex, gum, and also the paper. Wildlife includes animals, birds, insects, as well as the aquatic life forms. They provide us milk, meat, hides, and wool. Insects like bees provide us honey, help in pollination of flowers, and have an important role to play as decomposers in the ecosystem. The major vegetation types of the world are grouped as forests, grasslands, scrubs, and tundra. In the areas of heavy rainfall, huge trees may thrive. The forests are thus associated with areas having abundant water supply. As the amounts of moisture decreases, the size of trees and their density reduces. Short, stunted trees and grass grow in the regions of moderate rainfall, forming the grasslands of the world. Thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in dry regions of low rainfall. Tundra vegetation of cold region comprises of mosses and lichens. Then, forests are widely classified as evergreen and deciduous forest. What is the difference between evergreen forest and deciduous forest? Evergreen forests do not shed their leaves, whereas deciduous forests shed their leaves in particular season to conserve loss of moisture through transpiration. Next, about the conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. As you know, forests are our wealth. Plants give shelter to animals and together they maintain the ecosystem. But changes in climate and human interferences can cause loss of natural habitats for plants and animals. Deforestation, soil erosion, constructional activities, forest fires, tsunami, and landslides are some of the human and natural factors cause the extinction of these resources. One of the major thing is poaching. The animals are poached for collection and illegal trade of hides, skins, nails, teeth, horns, as well as feathers. So, how can we conserve natural vegetation and wildlife? Let's discuss about the major steps taken by the government to conserve plants and animals. First, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves are made to protect our natural vegetation and wildlife. Awareness programs like social forestry and Vana Maholsava should be encouraged. Many countries have passed laws against the trade as well as killing of birds and animals. In India, killing of lions, tigers, deers, great Indian bustard and peacock is illegal. Beyond that, an international convention, CITES, CITES, has been established. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. It is an international agreement between governments that lists several species of animals and birds in which trade is prohibited. So, conservation of plants and animals is an ethical duty of every citizen. Children, we have successfully completed this chapter. For your reference, I have uploaded the URL. Go through it. Notes are also attached along with this. Take it down. A test question paper is also there. Try it yourself. Thank you.